Undoubtedly, the printer is one of the most used office equipment, and most of the official work will remain unfinished without a printer. Since the printer is a piece of essential equipment, it's vital to understand a printer before making a buying decision. 3 most important aspects of a printer should be considered before making a buying decision: printing speed, durability, and cost per print. Another factor that can be considered is the type of printing technology, as we can choose between inkjet and laserjet printing technology. For those who are struggling to buy a printer, we've chosen HP OfficeJet 4650 printer today.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. HP OfficeJet 4650 is a multifunctional inkjet printer designed by the famous electronics product manufacturer HP. The printer is especially suitable for home or small office use, and it's designed to provide high-quality printing service with consistency. The printer can achieve 16 pages per minute if you're printing text documents in black, and the printing speed will vary when you print a color photo and other materials such as envelopes, cards, and custom-sized papers. It comes with a paper holding tray that has a capacity of 100 sheets of plain paper. HP printers come with some advanced features. You can use the HP ePrint app to manage your printing and printer. The printer has got an automatic document feeder that can hold 35 sheets of plain paper, and the output tray can hold 25 sheets of paper. HP OfficeJet 4650 all-in-one printer comes with flexible connectivity options. It's got wireless connectivity features as well as a wired connection option. The wireless connectivity feature works great. You could print from a remote place using the mobile app. The mobile app will let you scan and print a document using your mobile phone. You can also print documents stored in cloud storage such as Dropbox, Google Drive, and iCloud. The printer can automatically print both sides of the paper, which would save paper. The printer uses HP 302 or HP 302 XL cartridges. We'll look into the user ratings on this particular printer to find out what users are saying about it. The HP printer has got 4 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 570 user ratings on Amazon, which suggests that the printer is recommended by the users. Here are some comments from real users. One user has given 5 stars and commented, "It's seldom that you would describe a printer as a work of art, but this printer qualifies. The design is frankly beautiful, but more than that, all features you will need are ready and waiting." Another user gave 5 stars and wrote, "I just cannot believe how good this printer is for the price. I've not tried the scanner yet, but this thing is so user-friendly, it's refreshing. Plus, it looks sleek too. Printed out color photo and it looks great." A few people didn't find it useful. Among them, one person gave 1 star and wrote, "The power turned on but blank menu screen. Power button wouldn't function. Tried a few times plugging and unplugging the printer, still didn't work. Bummer." That's all we have on the HP 4650 OfficeJet printer for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.